Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So in this video, we will do about the last request, that is nothing but a delete request. So we'll try to delete the post data. So here we have created the getting of the post. So here get post data, and here this add post data and also the update post data. Now we are doing delete post data. Okay, so delete post, single post only. Now for this one, what I can do, router dot, this time we need to use the delete of slash post slash column id, and I will be having request comma response. In this one, what we will try to do, so first we will let get the post id equal to request dot params. Where is this param? Sorry, params dot id. So I got the post id. Now we need to filter out, so we need to remove the post id, post which is matching with that post id. So what can I do here? Post is equal to post dot filter. I can use this filter single post. I can use this single post where post dot id is not equal to post id. So I can use it like this, right? So we need to filter out like this. So all the posts which are not equal to id will go into that one. So that means which is matching the post id will not go into the post data. That means it automatically is removed. So now what I want to do is, so you can also use this splice concept and all those things also you can use it, not a problem. Now after deleting this one, what we need to do, response.json if you want, and I will use message, and here post deleted successfully. That's it. So I think that's more than enough. If you want, you can also add a message. So here post data received like this. So and here also you can add put okay, put received at this time, and here we can add we can have delete request received. Like this we can have a logging. So fine. Now we have finished it off. Let's try to check this one in the postman here, and here I will be having the get post data. Let's try to click it. So we are able to get 1 and 2, right? So let's create a new request, HTTP request, and here I will be having HTTP post /1. So I want to delete the first one. Okay, so there is nothing. So the change the delete, yeah, and send it. You're able to see that post deleted successfully, and save it, this one. So this one is delete post, so that we can have for future reference. Fine. Now let's go and get all the post data. Let's see. So we are able to see successfully deleted this one. So now if you want to add a post here, let's go to the body sample2 and all those things. I am adding body in the post. I am sending the request. So post added successfully, we are able to get this one. So this is the id. Let's capture this id so that we'll try to delete this one. In the get post, if you try to see here, we are able to get this 2 and also this one. Okay, fine. So now I want to update this post data. So here I am updating the id, and same thing, all the details are something the same. So post updated successfully. Let's go to the get post and try to get the data. See, this data is got updated without any problem. So everything is, I think, is working fine. Now last I want to delete the same post with this id. Okay, delete it and click on the send. Post deleted successfully, we are able to see. And last we'll try to see get the post. What happened here? Gone. I think something happened. Yeah, so nothing happened. So post deleted successfully. So we are able to get it. So this is how. So right now our all the server node server side CRUD operations are working fine. In the next video onwards, what we'll try to do is we'll move on to the Ajax thing, and we'll try to build the HTML and Ajax and all those things. We'll try to do it. Hope you understood about this one. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.